media. Image is everything like Alicia. This is nothing. Listen, come meet Khandy in person. She go brawling. I'm gonna come savage on me, straightforward. The expectation of take a boy girl to the car, so boy try to come my girl for the media. I'm gonna talk about the media captain. So come back, broke a boy foot, you know?
I'm leaving Jamaica now. Too much fuckery is going on. I'm going in the States. Bye.
Take what they get car. Actually, I do want you book your apartment of a UC. Okay, here what? You know, if you book your apartment, and we have fracture your foot. We're not broke, we have fracture.
Tell us a secret. So they might come super low and foot. You think that's possible?
Yeah, you pussy wall, you know. You know, two mix up a Jamaica, me gone.
Yes, so you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia Amor. Go over to our Viva channel, listen to our music, stream it up, no man. We're golden. Bad artists. Cool it. Yeah.
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you. It's on with the girl Alicia Amor, and we're back with another video. Yeah! Yes, guys. Yes, we're on a day here feet and a day here for the behind the scenes, and we are here to give it to you. When you're not subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribe. You know, click that red button below. You don't know how we say pretty badness outside, and we are going to the place. We'll check out what we're going today. We know I already know what we're going to on the show today now. It's your girl Khandy, the TikTok viral sensation.
Murderation, right us right now, skin out, come to skin out.
And we're going to go into the behind the scenes, right? We're ready for it? We're ready for it? So I'm going to soon subscribe. I'm going to 2 seconds. 1, subscribe. Alright? Come in, we're going to the place and we're going to see what we're going. Boop! Guys, we are heading to the studio. And we got everything. So I can hear the people in it. Wow, I don't even know where to go. My last.
Oh, that! Oh, that!
Alicia, we're going.
Come on there, man. Hello. To the Lord. What's good? My vlogger.
See, man, today, man, you don't know who that Celestia, man.
Married last. Guys, some road man. I gotta find a session today. Oh my god, I keep stepping in water. You gonna be on the show today? Alright, good. Everybody here is not gonna be on the show today? I know, but Lizzie, I got to be on the show. You're gonna be on the show too. So I'm gonna ask you guys some questions individually, like for the behind the scenes, you mind?
Damn shit.
Yeah. So is that how you talk to?
I'm an Englishman.
So you're not getting on the video? Oh. One at a time though. One at a time.
Yeah, of course.
One person at a time. Who are we here with today?
You know, man's Ty, you know.
Ty, do you know who's gonna be in the video today?
Nah, you know. I don't even know.
You don't know, so you don't know why you're here.
Nah, man, just come for the vibes, innit?
So what is your expectation for the day?
Fuckery. Who has that? Simple. Fuckery.
I like that. Alright, out of 100, tell me how important is looks for you. In a female, that is. Out of 100.
Say like 70% stuff. 70%.
70%? So the rest would be like...
You want to be like, nah, man can't jump on the 50 stuff.
Alright, that's cool. I saw you really talk.
Bro, man's from England, man. Man's British. You don't believe me?
Just checking. Alright, can I ask you another question?
The passport's in the back.
That's all that. I realize that.
What kind of underwear do you like seeing a female wearing?
Blood clot. She's trying
The
to set me up,
accent
you know.
switch, man. So you got a Jamaican in you.
Obviously, man can switch the accent.
Okay, alright. So what kind of underwear do you like to see a female in?
But then call them blood clot underwears again. Funks. No, you're about
That
brand.
type,
brand
you know,
wise.
like bingo baggy as I'm gonna say in Jamaica, or French cut or G-string.
Frenchies though, Frenchies.
But he knows what you like.
Funks.
Like French, the Frenchies. You
Yeah,
like
yeah,
the Frenchies. Alright, can I ask you another question? Alright, would
You gonna set me up?
No, but let me whisper it because he's listening and I'm gonna ask him too.
Listen.
Would you shave your girl's vagina?
You're mad. You're crazy. You know that? No time. No time.
You know that?
No time.
Why?
Nah, bro. After I'm bro, man, a barber, you know. Man can't even do them things there still. Man can't help her with that stuff.
Wait, suppose she sit down and she asks you.
Tricky ones though, that can't happen. No times.
Alright, where can the viewers find you on the gram?
Nah, you know you can find me still, Tyreek.
Tyreek.
Yeah.
So you soon fly out or you going there for a while?
Nah, man's flying out soon.
You're flying out soon.
That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, alright, then we got you. Who are we here with today?
Ty King.
Ty King. Alright, Ty King, you know who you're here to see today in the video?
Donia wife.
Donia, what? So you come for take a next man wife?
Come kick with a boy foot, yes?
I am like Estelle, fully bad. Ty King, what is your expectation for today?
As me say, come kick with a boy foot.
Alright, out of 100%, how important is looks for you in a female?
But 88%.
88%? What's the rest? What you're looking for outside of looks?
Knowledge, intelligence.
Intelligence, you like a sappy sex or?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, love that for you. What underwear do you like seeing a female in? What type of underwear?
I like Frenchies, you know.
You like the Frenchies?
Yeah,
It
do you like
seems
the French cuts, you know?
It seems like all the men like the Frenchies. That's
What, did everyone else say that?
Huh?
Everybody else said that?
Most.
Swear. A bit different. I do like the bingo things though, you know.
You like the bingo?
Yeah,
Pound what?
the bingo things, you know.
What kind of day?
It hugs their bottom better, innit? It hug them better, you know?
Oh, the boy shorts.
No man, the bingo jars, it hug them better, you know?
It hug them better.
Yeah.
Alright, girls, you see that?
Yeah,
A man that like the bingo.
Yeah.
A man that like the bingo. Kudos to you for that. Alright, I'm gonna ask you another question. Alright, would you shave your girl's vagina if she asked you to do it?
No, sir.
Alright.
She have to sick her or something.
If
She can't
she-
just come to me and say, hey babes, shave this.
Oh, but if she's sick, you do
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Would you wash it? Like
Wash
her
what?
panties?
No, sir.
No,
We have
but
washing machine for that. Yeah, because if we can't take them off, most can hold them and put them in the machine. Can't do that. We can't even scrub one of clothes.
alright, where the viewers can find you on the gram?
HNL King. So that's HNL King with an X, with King with an X, not an I.
Repeat it.
HNL King. HNL King.
With an X, not an I.
Yeah, with an
I want to see a fit check for today. Because I know the man them come out for candy and them clean. Come on, give me your best,
This is
give me your
something
best
like,
swag look.
this is something like,
Give me your best swag look though.
something like, you know, Clark's, you know, so we are Jamaican.
Alright.
See me? Purple jeans. Shirt, something light, some extra light.
What's up with the bag? What's up with the bag?
Good underwear them. Something light. Louis V on my bag, something light.
Let's see what's on the hand.
Gold on the wrist, something light.
Alright. Alright. Love that for you. Love my cancer give me a 360 kaya man. You know, we're not do that.
You know, someone say one more something though.
Alright, go ahead.
Big up Tasty's Jerk in Birmingham, England. Make sure you go over there up on Instagram, Tasty's Jerk, TAISTI Jerk. If you're there Erdington, you can get the food over there. And if you're down there Erdington, we're there on Uber Eats. Just make sure you order if you don't ever fly out there, if you're not over there already.
You have anything you want to say to the viewers?
No. What? I want to big up you though.
Alicia Amor TV.
Big up yourself, Alicia Amor TV. You're very beautiful here.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Alright. Who are we here with today?
One coach Bill.
One Coach Bill. So do you know why you're here today? You know who you're here to see, right?
Yeah.
Who are we here to see today?
Khandy. One Khandy.
Alright, oh you know what Khandy?
You know about her?
Yeah.
That testing by me there.
Alright, I love nice. I love a teeth though, you teeth them nice, smile for the girls them.
No, yeah.
What you love like? What's your expectations for today?
Low and craziness.
Low and craziness. I love the craziness, you know. Alright, love that for you. Out of 100, how important is looks for you for a female?
First thing, I'm not look past looks, I swear.
Out of 100.
First thing, first thing.
We know it's the first thing you look for, but how important is it? Out of 100, give me a percentage.
100?
100.
First thing.
Alright, and then what comes after?
Then our personality, I'm not gonna know if she's nice if I'm gonna see her.
Oh, you like, what kind of girl you like? You like them exciting, fun, boring, laid back, chill?
You see brown and baby,
You like the brown in them?
yeah, something like that.
Something about the brown in them.
Something about it.
Something about the brown in them. What kind of panty or underwear do you like to see a female in?
None.
None. But if she have to wear one, what you want she wear?
If she have to wear one,
Yeah.
my name V-cut, what name?
French cut?
French cut, yeah.
Frenchie. French cut is the order of the day, guys. French cut is the order of the day. May I ask you one more question?
There you go.
Alright? Okay. Would you shave your girl's vagina?
I see my glasses. A doctor coach will on certain platform thing. I just be proper. You see me? Put on the jacket and I think I'm gonna ease off the razor and spread on legs and some.
That's a yes, that's a yes, that's a yes. Ding, 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 ding. Would you wash the panties?
No, you can't come with jazz wash. If she's sick, maybe I want exception, but I don't know scoops.
Wait, not the scoops. Alright, love that for you. Alright, which part of them can find up on the gram?
One coach bell on all platform, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere.
What you have to say to the viewers them?
Just follow one coach bell, if you not follow coach bell, you see. Big up Alicia Amor TV.
Alright, wait, we're not done. We need the fit check. We need the fit check. Cause we don't wanna come out for Khandy, so we know so we wanna come out with the stars. Wanna know what you're wearing today?
Alright, bad jeans, bad shirt, I'm here. I'm son.
Just bad, right through.
Look bad.
Alright, you look good. Alright, big up you. Alright. First I'm gonna make it down. So you have to record at 30. We used to do it in and then we tell you where you do wow. So when you're recording at the 60, it make the video look a little distorted like after you upload. So me I tell you that's another. The Jew school still now. The Jew school so it's gonna cool down the road. Yeah guys, so we're all a little vibes because right now the man them has set up the scene as you can see. And then they are wait on Khandy. Yeah, Khandy the diva. Yeah, she not reach yet and thing. So we just out here going chill with the man and me alone as a girl. She said me a real bad girl. So we say pretty badness is not a joke thing. No. It's not a joke thing. And that's what I said. Chill right chill here. Be a man on me, alright?
Be a man in my midfield.
Be a man on me. Look there, barefoot.
Yeah, me plus like camera.
Alright, so let's go and make sure I say subscribe. Don't. I know someone not do with that, man. I can't do with that. Isn't it crazy? Alright, we'll see you much. Who are we here with today?
Yeah, you don't know, sir. One bim comedy. You see it? Pull up in the bim.
Ah, love that. You know why you're here today, right?
No, I don't really know. I just have come and see it.
You don't know who you come to see?
Yeah.
Alright, so what is your expectation for the day?
Well, boy, we don't really expect no still. Just
Just there.
a bit of vibe, isn't it?
Just a bit of vibe. Alright. So I want to ask you another question, alright? So out of 100%, how important is looks for you in a female?
Boy, looks is everything in there, isn't it?
I eat first, I go for.
Yeah. Out of 100. Alright, never say. 80.
80?
Yeah.
Alright. What else you look for outside of the looks?
Ambition, aim. You must have an aim, get me I say. And if you have personality, you must can take fuck like how me can take it.
Love that. Next question. Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
What wrong with that? No man one.
Ding. I love that man here. I love all them winning. I just love all them winning. Would you wash the panties?
Wash panty?
Yeah.
Boy, never do that yet still. It depends.
Is she sick?
It's just sick, yeah.
Is she sick? Alright, love that, love that. What the viewers them can find up on the gram?
Well, you don't know, say, Bim Bim Comedy, yes me? BIM_comedy. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube too.
Alright, I know you come out to go up on the show today, so once I fit check, I'm know the man them love put themselves together.
Yeah, you don't know, so I'm green, you see it?
Tell us what you're wearing. Tell us what you're wearing today.
Well, I just put on something still.
So where's something? Where's
You
something?
see me?
You're active same way.
Yeah, I just have on a pants and a shirt.
Alright. Big up you.
Yeah, big up yourself too. Yeah, make sure them subscribe, like, and share video. Tell a friend too. You see it?
Love that.
Eat this short.
Big up. Right, look here, me no mind.
No, I'm not looking at you, sweetheart. As good as you look.
Alright guys, so the man them there set up the set as usual.
No, that.
No? I'm not potential with nothing.
States.
And I don't know, Celestial, tell them again in case we get new viewers, you know?
Yeah, watch on man.
Yeah.
Celestial Nation for all platforms, you know?
Yeah, the YouTube for big
TikTok,
up.
Instagram, YouTube.
That are
States
called.
them. You know, man, they crazy, you see? Watch on man. Follow up Alicia Amor, you know?
They want for
All
no.
platforms.
Fit check. Sheen him go. Sheen and him proud. That me and tell them.
Ripped jeans, Psycho Bunny. Come look at it.
That's
Outside.
it. Outside. Don't know like boss there, like boss
Big up, you know.
visual.
Big up yourself.
All the time. Yeah. Stress out, boss. You have to make sure somebody get the light in right, you know? Yeah, look good.
I had too much work, and I appreciate it. Okay, come on, sir. Don't see what.
Hey guys, I'm going to make sure so they get the lights in right. But now see people, them when I can't get the action. So I crank up a work. Yeah. 200k for crank up before December, guys. Make sure so you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. So the team got to work. Outside. What we're here today.
Yeah, if you see don't start live band. Them see me in the last vlog, man. They must know.
Who this. Live bands to the visuals. Tell them now. Alright, live bands, you know where they are today, right? You have to know.
Me don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
But we look there for ear one.
Alright, so what's your expectation for today then?
You know, they are shoot the visuals as usual, you know what I say?
Visuals. Alright,
visuals,
live bands more answer a nice question.
Yeah.
Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
When she's pregnant.
Only if she pregnant?
Yeah.
And she can't sit down there good?
Yeah.
That's the only way you're going to help her out. You're going to shave it in a style or you shave it bald?
Shaving a style, shave it bald. Come in, we know really, I must say a natural place. I just regular.
Just like gear it.
A regular thing.
Just take it off.
Yeah.
Push. Alright,
Yeah,
you don't wash your pants today?
No.
Nah, do that.
My
Not
mother-
even if she's sick.
My mother prays you grow me. If my woman tell me not to wash pants, I want pants to wash.
Nah, do it. Alright. Respect that. Alright, I don't know how important is a female's look for you out of 100%.
A female love?
Looks? Yeah.
To be honest, money change looks, so if me a female start off and once the energy today, money can change her look. So if she do look ugly, money and food and she look fat up one thing and
So I say money can fix her up.
Yeah.
Money can change it.
Yeah, money
Alright,
can
fix the
change
teeth, fix the face.
That is it.
Everything can fix. Alright, love that for you. Alright, a fit check time now, so cause you name live boss, always
live.
full of swag.
Here you go. I see them represent the Walkie the Talk brand. You understand? Them sponsor the video right now. You understand? The bad loop, the shirt and the yak. So you know, for them by Instagram.
I could see it, I could see it.
See that nice thick quality hat.
Alright.
Quality. Is me I say? So check them out now.
Tell them again now.
Walkie the Talk
Which part that then?
Instagram. Just follow him on Instagram. You see me I say all the information to this. You see?
Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
but- Yeah, go on.
Which part people them can find up on the gram?
Live bars. When you see me in the last vlog, so you must know. Live bars. You understand? And you go on Instagram, when I see the whole information, you see me? Link in the bio and all that. But you are going, Alicia, Amor, big up yourself.
Alright, love that.
Road to 100K.
That's a code.
On my channel. I'm loving music too. You know, what people pay people.
Tell them no.
Music them bad. Actually, no. You are going. You are bad artist. More than collab with.
Tell them.
In bad. Currency.
Tell them.
I'm not joking. You know.
Tell them.
If you like me tell you.
May I hear you through the video?
Alright. The people want to do a bad collab with my artist thing. Currency. So look out for that. Big up yourself. Right?
Big up yourself. Big up
That is
you.
it.
Outside. Get to bar session. What are you doing today? What are you saying?
Stressed out like the last time.
Stress out. You can't so stress out.
Woman a problem and man a problem.
Oh God.
I never know this man would have get in trouble like this.
But the show go on same way.
Visa?
It a go active.
My visa too, you know.
Beer niceness.
But
A beer fuckery band
me
there.
do want to get candy hold for man.
You don't want to candy hold per man?
Yeah.
And candy, me feel like candy I come hold per man too, you know.
Exactly. But no, I look with a man every year.
Alright, heads up.
Alright,
But I still want to talk to the host now, because enough time them not get the behind the scenes of the host and how him feel and, you know, get into it. So, let me ask you a question now. How do you decide on a weekly basis who you're going to choose for the 20v1?
Depends on the person I get. So you know, say we bring some people match that person, the energy. You know? The energy along with the look.
Energy
you
along
know?
with the look.
Find the girls that match a guy, then find the guy that match a girl energy. Everybody knows it can be. She's boy first, then she's jovial. So we have to bring some jovial G. You see me? Because she might like a man where love the jokes. We have some dogs that will love the jokes, you know? Along with some militant youth and some G image and rare. You see me?
Alright. So we want to the co-host that we're today, because him always look good. But we know send already yet. So we're going to circle him back later with some more questions. And we're going to circle him back later. Alright, big transformation later from him now. Alright, CrankUp TV.
Yeah.
Alright, we are circling back.
Alright.
Alright, who are we hearing today?
You don't know, say they're Lindsay Machine, type shit boss, when I stop shit on George Tally for pit toilet. Yeah.
Alright, Lindsay, so you know why you're here today, right?
Yeah, of course.
Why are we here today, Lindsay?
Because I'm a rabbit, get up.
Ooh.
If you know what I mean, you know what I mean.
Alright, so what are your expectations for the day?
Repeat.
What are your expectations for the day?
Expect.
Okay, what are your expectations for today, Lindsay?
Alright, my expectation is to take a boy girl today, because some boy try to come my girl for the media. I'm not talk about the media captain. So I come back, broke a boy foot, you know? I mean, to make a boy foot fracture, you know what I mean? Type shit.
Bad boy thing. Alright, love that. Lindsay, more ask your next question. Out of 100%, how important is females look for you?
Repeat?
Out of 100%, how important is a female's look for you?
What do you mean by that? She might not drinking, sorry. What do you mean by that? Sorry.
How important is a female? How she look, like her beauty? How important it is out of 100%?
No, you know, 100 you don't know, so we love the female man thing, you know. You see it? You know, me can't style female. Me can't say, even if them look bad, them all look good to me. Type shit.
But she have to look good.
Yeah, I'm not too like the makeup thing, you know. I joke me, I'm like
No, that's alright. You're not too like the makeup thing, Lindsay.
No, I love the makeup both way, man, both way.
Alright. So, Lindsay, now ask your next question now. Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
Why not? Of course. I mean, but you look at me, can't get tattoo because me daddy tattoo for her too.
Oh my God! Wow!
Me not say that, guys. Me love them group of men today. Them not say no.
Why not?
Would you wash the panties?
If me da wash panty for her?
Yeah.
Yeah, me da wash panty. Now me I take it off, man.
Ow! Alright, tell the people how them can find you on the gram.
Watch now. Lindsay Machine, you know. On TikTok, Lindsay Machine, you know, one married boss type shit. As I say, I come to broke a boy foot, I don't come to a personal girl, because a boy try to break my foot on the media. I fracture my foot today.
Alright, we want to tell the viewers them differently.
I want to say, but watch, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Big up on it.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
Almost there.
Big up on the damn self. You don't know so who watch me. Big up on yourself. Who now watch me. Big up on yourself. Big up Alicia More TV. You don't know so I get more till the belly full and think type shit. All on Sunday more than Sunday dinner. Yeah, type shit. You know, make sure you stay tuned. Lock in. Big man.
Lindsay, I don't know, say, we have to check out the man them fit today because we know them come out. So tell me what you're wearing today.
Watch it. Listen, you see shirt, you never plan to do the shirt because it's a program. Because the shirt don't go, the shoes are now. So I left my shirt before go the shoes and things. But, you know, you don't know where we, you know, once machine step out, machine don't care about looks or nothing.
But we still want to see a fit, Lindsay. One tail. Bad it up. Big up you.
Big up me, right? Shoe.
Outside. You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you. What are we here today?
Yeah, you know, I want fresh king on our platform, you know.
Fresh king.
You know,
Alright. Fresh king, I know where you come out for today, right?
yeah, well, I know the Khandy, you know. It's never Sunday here.
Where know about Khandy?
Well, you know, she's an influencer, you know.
Alright. What's your expectation for today's show?
Well, hoping for the best.
Come for win? You come for win? You think you can get Khandy?
Why? But I think, you know.
I will if I'm on there, you know, how you
Not a
feel?
thinking possibility, you know.
Alright.
Just your personality and your character, you know, determines.
Alright. Out of 100%, how important is a female's look for you?
Well, she have to come to our ball game. Because you see me, you know, look at my drip, mirror shirt and mirror jeans and Air Force.
Would you shave your girl's vagina?
Yeah, once I'm a woman, why not? I mean, she belongs to me, though.
Alright, we love that. You shave it ball or you left a little style? How you deal with it?
If she wants it bad, she get it bad. Anything she...
Oh, you like it?
Me? Mm-hmm. I don't want to see a speck.
You want to see? Nothing you don't want to see. Clean! Alright. Could you wash the panties?
Yeah, I'm a woman, as me tell you.
You don't wash it?
What?
You don't wash the panties?
Yeah.
Alright, love that. Alright, so once you have fit check, I want to come out clean. Why you tell the viewers what you're wearing today?
So, you know, you have to be a God-fearing you like me if you wear this, you see me? Cross. Mirror shirt, you see me? One brand. Mirror pants. You see me? Air Force One.
Air Force white like this. Alright, tell the viewers some of them can find up on the ground.
Yeah, so you know I want fresh king, one fresh underscore king on Instagram, on TikTok, fresh underscore king.
Anything you want to say to the viewers differently?
Yeah, just subscribe to
Alicia Amor TV.
Boy.
Alright.
Leave a comment.
Big up you. Outside. Who are we here with today?
Sheldon TikTok God, you know the thing, no?
Sheldon TikTok God. Alright, Sheldon, you know why you're here today, right?
Right, Khandy man.
Alright,
not Khandy wow, we know. Khandy. Not Khandy wow.
Where you know about Khandy?
Yeah, she said drop it, you know.
What's the expectation for today's show?
Yeah, you know see. You know some come out.
Come out for Khandy.
Oh.
Alright, I want to ask a different question now. Out of 100%, how important is a female's look for you?
Alright, 100% is alright. It's shape, looks. I like that. That's my type of female. You see me? You have shape, you're sexy. Yeah. I like them one day, you know?
You're into the shape?
Yeah, and the sexiness. And that kind of turns me on, you know?
What else you look for outside of the shape?
Yeah, honestly, I like a woman who is independent.
Independent?
Yeah.
Alright, independent and sexy shape. Love that. I have a nice little question for you again.
Yeah, man.
Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
Of course.
Oh, because the way you shake it, I think you're going to say
Yeah,
no.
let me not do it.
You do it. You do it before, you do it again.
But you have in a serious relationship for that.
Nah, just do it to anybody.
No.
Alright, love that. Oh, you're going to shave it in a style, in a
mohawk. One more.
No baldness, mohawk. Image of it on the front.
Me know you.
Image of it on the front.
Yeah, man, mohawk, man, you know, think, man.
Love that. Alright, would you wash it though?
What that?
The pants to them.
No.
And I wash it.
No,
Not even she sick.
If you see that different.
Where you wash it with your hand or in a machine?
No, my hand.
Your hand, you scrub it and put it on the line.
Because in the machine can't wash panty.
Love that, you know, you have sense, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, love that. Alright, like when you come out for Khandy, I know you come out in your outfit somewhere, you tell the people them what you're wearing. Fit check.
You know see?
Missy, but why you tell them?
You know see?
Why you tell them?
Tell them for me.
Amor.
You know see? Amor. You know see?
What going for your jeans?
You know see?
What going for your foot?
You know see? You know see?
Alright.
You want to say, man. You want to say what
Alright, tell the viewers them where them can find you.
on TikTok. You can Shellan TikTok, God, and on Instagram, Shellan.
Anything where you want to say to Khandy differently?
Come on. I'm coming for you, baby.
Anything you want to say to the viewers them?
People, me love you now. Just look out for me, alright? Big up Alicia Amor TV.
Alright, outside.
Let them outside.
Madness.
Let them outside.
Are we here with today?
The kid coming through.
The kid that come through, kid that look good today and boasting, love the fit, love the fit, love the fit. Kid that know who you're here for today, right?
They say Khandy.
Khandy?
Yeah, but you know, on the song I say, if 50 Cent say, I take it to the candy shop.
You ready for Khandy
Yeah, I
though?
take her to the candy shop, and, you know, I win candy.
You ready for Khandy though?
Yeah.
Alright.
And if candy ready for me,
What's the expectation for today?
well, much candy on TikTok. She tell me say she want bump up body, and them want my money. Yeah. So me, you know, so I got.
Out of 100%, how important is looks for you?
What leave? Cause my life look good. What leave?
No, for a female, how important is a female
yeah, she
looking
look
good?
good too,
Out of 100.
Out of 100? 100. She look good.
100, what else come after the looks? What else?
Personality, I love personality.
She have a vibrant and nice?
Yeah, I like personality.
Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
Yeah? Yeah, right now.
Right now?
Girlfriend, come now. Come now. Shave it right now.
Oh, yeah, shave it. Yeah, shave it ball or you left a little speckle. Yeah, shave it in a style. You left a little art on it. Oh, you like it. Oh, you don't want it.
We just shave it clean.
Clean.
Clean shave. Yeah.
Alright, one more question. Would you wash the panties?
Yeah, woman. Yeah, woman.
Yeah, scrub it with your hand or you put it in the washing machine?
Even that machine I've used me hands so still, you know?
You would do it with the hand?
Yeah, me I wash a woman.
Oh, hang them up on the line. I don't care who wants to see you.
No, I'm not care. After I'm a man. I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
So we know when I come out clean today because we don't come out for Khandy. Someone wants to fit check. So you know until we are here. Watch your at a drop off.
Jesus Christ.
What
I had to catch and drop, but anyway, still big up walking the talk if you trip. See the brand. Catch a trip. Yeah. Ski mask, everything. But they bad walking the talk.
Want to the shirt?
The shirt? Yeah, man, I should have a shirt. They're not asking.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah,
and the jeans. Fully.
Yeah.
Fully.
They like it, no.
Them love it, man. Them love it. Which part of the viewers them can find you on the gram?
One, them are the kid. Any platform. YouTube, them are the kid.
What you have to say to the viewers them?
Thanks to all I support. So now watch the video, them will not subscribe.
Tell them to subscribe.
Will subscribe?
Where they want to subscribe to?
One, them are the kid.
Alright.
No, don't put in the one, you know. Them are the kid.
Alright, love that. Big up you.
One, Alicia, share my last name, people. So I'm a sister. Alicia More, big up herself.
Alright, love
Me
that.
and them are more, so I share Alicia. Big up herself.
Outside. Pretty madness. Who are we here with today?
Target 39 on TikTok.
Talk again?
Target 39 on TikTok and Instagram. You can call me Pink Boss.
Boy, you talk soft, dude. Alright. So, do you know why you're here today or who you're here for today?
Yes, I'm here. I can vision my match from now.
You can vision your match?
Yeah, I'm visioning my match.
So you know who you're here for?
I know who I'm here for.
Alright, so what you know about Khandy?
I know that Khandy is a nice person, but you follow at times, but she can't go on stage. She's a good little show. She's a comedy person that can entertain.
You like the vulgarity? You like vulgar girls?
Not really, but me work with it.
She active. Love that for you. Alright. Tell me your name again.
Jaime Dixon.
Jaime. Alright, Jaime. So out of 100%, how important is looks for you in a female?
I don't into the looks.
You don't into looks?
No.
What are you into? Image. So from she can dress and she look hot, are you that?
I'm a fashion person.
You're a fashion person. So you don't care how her face want look?
No, I don't care what the face wants. As long as she look in line, just like me. Yes, I'm an image person.
We soon get to that.
Okay.
You're into the image. Alright, love that for you. Alright, Jamie, I'm gonna ask you one more question. You ready for it?
Ready for it.
Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with it? Ding, 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 ding. One more winner, guys. The guys are not turn it down. Oh, you da shave it though. You da shave it in a style or you da shave it ball?
She didn't shave it style, man. Look a curl, look a mohawk style.
Because you're image boss. So I don't the stuff I look at image. Alright, love that for you. Would you wash it though? Would you wash it?
Yeah, no, I'm a girl.
You wash it with the machine or you wash it with the hand?
Machine.
Or your hand?
With my hand, alright.
You wash it with the hand. Alright, so you know set up a fully clean. You hang it up on the line too, sun dry and everything. Love that. Alright, well, you're out for Khandy today and you know say you come out clean already. So we want a fit check.
I see my match.
Fit check. I know I say you're the image boss now, so we want to know what you're wearing today.
Boss, man.
You know, tell the people what you wear. You want me to tell them for you? You just want me to zoom in on the look.
Yeah, you can zoom in.
Zoom in on the look. Alright. Your $7,000 jacket. And your
15 grand shoes.
Your 15 grand shoes and your $7,000 jacket and your thumb and your gold. Alright,
Real
2
gold,
chains.
no fake, yeah. You can scratch that off and show you, see?
Alright, no
Real
fakeness
gold,
down
no
here.
fake.
Alright, which part of the viewers them can find you on the gram?
Pink boss. So they ain't having pink boss on me.
Pink boss. Anything you want to set to Khandy right now?
Khandy, you're my match.
Why?
Because I vision it. That she's my match.
What you gonna do for Khandy?
Take her on a date right now.
What kind of gate you gonna put Khandy on? Come here, my Khandy active enough, so you have to tell Khandy the things them, you know?
Can I come on an expensive date?
Expensive date?
Yeah, boy.
Alright.
It's been a million span.
Love you.
You got Alicia Amor TV.
Alright, outside.
Romy.
Huh?
Romy.
Romy, you know why you're here today, right?
What do you mean?
Why you here?
Listen, come for meet Khandy in person. Come on, know in person.
Alright, what's your expectations for today?
She go hard. She go mean. She go brawling.
And how you are come?
She go brawling. Come gonna come savage and mean, straightforward.
Alright. So, out of 100%, how important is looks for you in a female?
A female, to be honest, still, I like when a girl and put herself together. I look very, what's it, classy, fabulous, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Alright, love that. I have a next question. Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
Do it already.
You do it already and you would do it again.
Every day.
I love that.
It's a pum pum, man. Yeah.
Alright, I like that man. I look a fucker, man. I'm the fucker. I'm ready. Alright, oh, you shave it. Oh, you shave it in a style or you shave it ball?
Ball, man.
Ball. Nothing for the pan. Clean sweep.
I like more than anything, is it? I just straight here.
Clean sweep.
What's up?
Alright. You wash it? You wash the panty then? You wash
Yes,
it?
sir.
Would you wash your
I
girlfriend's
wash the
panty?
jars, man. Don't stand.
None.
Yeah, wash the jars.
No, I wash none. That is it. We are work with you. Alright, so we know you come for Khandy today. And we know you come out clean, so we want a fit check. Tell the girl them what you're wearing. Come back on the scene.
Image is everything like Alicia. This is nothing.
Alright.
Knock out, Invictus.
Show we again now?
Invictus, look on it.
Alright. Woo! What kind of shirt? Show them a shirt.
Show the
John. Black pump, black. Clean it. Clean sweep. Alright. Tell me where them can find you on the gram.
What's that?
Where them can find you on the gram.
I am _Romy. One day I'm going to look like a decent too. But yes, at time, I work Khandy.
Alright. Where you want to say to the viewers then, man? You just drop the mic, so.
My friend them and my family, they will not tear a stone on me if I come out in a different person, yeah? Big up Alicia Amor TV. Romy said that.
Alright, big up you, Romy. Outside. right, pretty man. Who we here with today? Who we here with today?
It's your boy 876 Caution.
876 Caution. 876, you know why you're here today, right?
Yeah, I know.
Why you here today?
Yeah, about that 6 years girl. What's her name? Khandy?
Khandy.
Sweet as hell. Dang, she fine as fuck.
Baddie Khandy. Alright, sound like you like the freaky girls and you like the freaky girls and you like the bad girls?
Definitely. She gotta be freaky to roll with me, you know what I'm saying?
Love that, love that. Alright, so what's your expectations for today?
My expectation? Damn. She gotta come on with me, damn, if that's for real.
So you're sure, so you're gonna
I'm
care?
definitely sure about that.
What's your favorite pickup line?
Favorite pickup line?
Or your
really
best
have a
pickup
favorite pickup
line?
line because anything I say goes.
Like what? Tell me something like, I'm Khandy right now. Tell me something that you say to me as a baddie. Out of 100%, how important is a female's look for you?
It got to be very important. Yeah, it gotta be like 100%. It don't have to be 100%, but I work with good personality. So if your personality is good, I work with it.
So you like the looks, but personality is way more important for you.
Yeah, I work with it. You can't
I
be
like
ugly,
that.
but your personality is good. I roll with it.
I like that, I like that. Alright. So I want you to tell me now, right?
Yeah.
Would you shave your girlfriend's vagina?
Yeah, why not? Because you're going to be in it, so why not you shave it?
Ding, 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 ding. Like that, love that, love that. Would you wash the panties though?
Nah, unless it's my baby mama. I probably roll that way, but for like a girl that I'll be with, like she don't got my kids, I'll say nah to that.
So you're not gonna wash the panties, but if you were to wash it, would you wash it with your hands or are you putting them in the machine?
The machine, or I employ somebody to do that.
Alright. So you're here for Khandy. You know you were coming out for Khandy. Khandy's a baddie, so we want a fit check. We want to see how you put yourself together today for Khandy.
Yeah.
Let's see. Tell the viewers what you're wearing.
I'm wearing, this is a Reebok classic. I'm wearing a Reebok white, and I got the oversized shirt, white tees.
Black shirt, white tees. Let's see what's on the neck. What's on the neck?
What's on the neck?
Some cool goldy.
They say it right there.
Alright. Let me zoom in again. Cool. Now see that, ladies. Alright. So I want you to tell Khandy something right now. What do you want to say to Khandy?
What I want to say to her?
Mm-hmm.
I see she kind of fun for the scammer niggas, but I just want to let you know that I'm the client. Without me, those chopping ass nigga ain't getting no cash. I'm the bank. You know what I'm saying? The chopper need to scam the client. I'm the client.
We see you got something on the wrist. What's on the wrist? Cause you the client. We want to know what's on the wrist.
Yeah, it's a green and gold. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy.
Alright, cool. Alright, so we want to know what you want to tell the viewers right now.
First things first, follow Tassie's trends on TikTok. And Rush Closet. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, live it. Like clothes, chains, jewelry, Pandora, they all got it, right?
Is that your personal IG? Do you want them to follow you on
My
IG?
personal IG is 876 Caution.
Alright, big up you, Caution.
Alright, cool. Yeah, CrankUp. That's our code.
Alright, big up you.
Them,
Outside. Alright guys, so right now they're gonna do the thumbnail. So I wanna say that little nice thumbnail there. Yeah, we CrankUp I got put up. And I don't know. Yeah, the man line up and waiting on Khandy too.
Yo, referee. Yeah, man, shit got here. Put that shit got on this. We don't know what I'm
You're a journalist. Just look at us now.
Yeah, she's vlogging stuff. Live, you're not even live. Live up. Live with two people that they camera. You're gonna let them see the videos after.
Huh?
The videos that you're gonna let them see them after. You don't see me.
You just see the video when you watch it on YouTube. Hi.
Anything go. No. Outside, man, you know not 52.
Lighting bad right so. Yeah. You just come if you say bloop blop. I think I come if you say something else. Bloop blop. You say my name get in trouble, you think who my name get trouble? Look at who my name compared to the man that is. Sheen. Why am I load you up so Sheen, boss? Come back with the shows. You never know you might become a Sheen. Oh, I'm not a shirt. You can carry that.
Watch it up. Stop falling out. When you stop falling at top coat, footstep and buy a sheen, but you fall back. Stop falling at top coat, bro. Spend the money to top coat, yeah, bro, here.
Top coat teacher.
Hey, top coat, you hear this? Let me say so. Alicia say so.
Yeah, look how you can ball out Sheen and look how you call for yourself. Sheen! Let's say this is a Reebok. It look like Reebok, you know? It does not have the sign.
You know, come here. You watch it now. You care about your brother. I joke now. We can joke now. We can joke.
No, Tara. I
feel black, man. I feel black.
This is him, bro.
Every series.
A Reebok, like boss, it's a Reebok, you're nasty. It's a Reebok, look on it. It's a Reebok classic.
Every time I pull my jaw, bro, the shirt says me again.
Say it again. Well, I know Celestial. Say it again. Say it again, no man. Big up. Who you big up the shoes? Who you big up
Watch it now. Come on now.
Welcome.
You go walk in the top of the shirt, you need to watch it, see blue suit on my arm. Every time I pull my jaw, the shirt look at me and say, yo, me again. Oh, you got that shirt, I walk it, I feel like...
Walk it to your new shirt.
Yo, bro.
Walk it to your new shirt. This man, this too, you know.
Yeah, man, I don't know one Black Indian, man.
Black Indian. If they behind the scenes, but if they and
Oh, by the way, 100,000 who win candy today.
100,000 for who win candy today?
Yeah,
Boom, money I give away. They don't understand. Money I give away. So, a beer man ready to kick with down here.
Say, down here? Sorry for you.
Hold on. One have to tell Donia right now. One have to tell Donia right now.
Watch it now.
Take what they get, car.
What you do when you book your apartment up at UC? Because you what? You know if you book your apartment, and we have fracture your foot. We not broke, we have fracture.
Man, girl get take quick.
Control can tonight, girl. Control can this.
Boom.
Controller choke too. Controller here. My cancel too. Like a leash, no boss. No controller. Like a leash. That's some American shit, bro. Type shit.
Not type shit.
So what type shit?
Type shit. Them say fuck type shit. Them say fuck type shit. That's too American.
You know what it is already?
What? Listen.
Type shit. No burn out type shit.
You might burn out the type shit.
You bet shit on somebody's shit.
Damn!
What's this guy about?
No, look, you talk to me. Watch it, bro. Spell. You know what the type shit are over England. Spell the type shit.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Which type shit from England, bro?
Bro, where you from? British?
Bro, I'm from England, bro. Don't say type shit over there.
What you said?
Bro, we just say like blood, fam, in it, them stuff there. Bro, don't say no type shit, bro.
Alright, bro.
Say in it. Don't say in it.
Welcome to Jamaica. You have shit for your family shit. Big Thailand. No, we're not in a pit tile, we're going out home. Jimmy, that's why we're going out home. We don't have water, we pay a water bill, so we have to make use of water. Somebody shit, I'm going to shit punish it until night comes, so you have to touch it all one time. Make use of water.
Why I want to know this too, man? You ever shot on someone's shit? So you sit down and you smell their shit. And just shit.
Listen, bro.
Yo, this is
I'm going to put this over here. The shit land in a splash. The tissue does cycle it.
And you shit on Jerry shit.
Shit on Jerry shit.
Jerry, are your uncle? Jerry, are your uncle? Jerry, are your uncle?
I listen, I'm telling you the truth. And a Jerry shit shit pan in about one of my family name shit, but I don't want to call names. So I'm just Jerry because Jerry first name. The shit pan somebody shit, bro.
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.
In there we my expectations.
Well, I don't know, I just expect everything to go good and not really disrespectful, but good, you know, and fun and yeah, we just want to enjoy ourselves.
But you know them are wait for you, Khandy.
I know them are wait
Man,
for
them love you, Khandy, you know that.
Why?
You know them and tell them a secret. So them are come cook for you and food. You think that's possible?
Next question.
If you're ready for that. Alright, we're there, we're check out the show, we're still going. Khandy, outside. Alright guys, we are almost ready to shoot.
The night.
Almost ready to shoot. Hi boss, Khandy and get ourselves together. And of course, CrankUp. Brother do by yourself. Till in I mark like him up COVID. Yay!
Here. Alright. Let's get this structure. We need to look at myself, y'all.
Yourself look alright. Yourself.
Here.
Already up. So what phone am I use to do behind the scenes? Alright, that's so okay. Next time I will tell you if you take out your chain to look rich on camera. Sorry.
Everybody needs to do the phone on silent. Please, live. Use basic. You. Yeah. And that can't steal us alive.
As your grandma is a before I'm sure. Serious man getting into the room.
Fine out there.
Alright, get into it. Oh, I'm feeling already? Already?
My answer's ready for me.
Already? My answer already, so my answer ready.
Hey, Freddy. Ready again? My answer's ready. Answer's ready for me.
Alright, we are coming.
Everybody will have to make these truths possible. You know, we only do bangers and bangers only. God and protect us through this truth. You understand? Free me, Jesus. Free me from 2 things right now. In your name I pray, amen.
God denied.
Yeah. God denied.
Send him in. Ready?
How you feel? Tell me.
I feel good
Come on,
now.
so come in, I want it nice.
Just fear point of view, is it?
So you get a no.
Isn't it? Me get a yes.
You get a
She
yes.
asked me see me just my face, isn't it?
You get a
She
yes.
said my shirt not real. My shoes a bit dirty, is it? But
She tell you about the barcode. What she mean by the barcode?
no, she want a man that we wear some $1 million shirt, is it? Yeah, but I'm not fucking about it for your $1 million shirt.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you're going for the next
Yeah,
round.
next round.
Alright,
yeah,
cool.
It's a big turn off for me, yeah.
Are you comfy, Khandy, you know?
I'm coming with here, I'm waste my waist.
Anything you want to tell Khandy right now, like how she turn her down with G?
Khandy. Yeah, she have no matching about boy, you tell them big time.
Feel away?
Feel away.
Oh God. Next time, yeah?
Okay, I'll try next time.
Alright, what she said, wear your underpants? She said sitting
She
with
has some
your
underpants cheaper than 2.5 more underpants.
That sound rough still, but next time, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, bye.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Why?
Take mic.
I say, just get out. Where you get? Check. Alright, check. What was your experience like?
Well, confident. She does not do most like talking. I'm not to the active listening.
So why you think she get her yes?
She just like the sauce.
Like the sauce, like the
She
dressing
like
one.
wearing the pants.
She like wearing the pants?
Yeah.
What that means? I never hear now.
Say print on it big and she like it.
Oh, she like the print.
Yeah.
So you feel like that's why you get the check?
Not really, but she just like the orange because she love orange. See me I say?
Okay.
That's how I'm hearing.
Alright, so you're on to the next round. Outside. Alright, so you get a yes, how you feel?
I'm telling her she come to me and I really make up for she.
So, what was the experience like?
I mean, I expect that, I never expect no less.
Nothing less?
No less.
Alright, so you're on to the next round.
Like inevitable. It
That's
is
a cool way.
No, you have to give me a yes or no.
Find out.
No, you have to add in the second one, yes or no.
Find out. First round.
Yes or no. Are you gonna have it? Check, let me see what I'm gonna have. After me, I don't come from crazy. But I don't have no problem. But me ask if you're gonna have it the next round, if you're gonna have the Britain one next round.
I changed the mood though.
Eh?
I changed the mood.
Alright, I'm gonna move on. What inch? Make you ask this, right?
Ask anything.
What inch would you have? Like straight arm. I'm not gonna leave so long still. Definitely never leave so long.
Boy, man.
Listen. She told me, listen. Man, I said, no, bro. She can find out. Yeah. She asked me how much inches you got. Yeah, bro. She didn't find out. You should have told her, come stroke it. If it was me, they will pass you.
Nah, but she wants to know that, but she can find out though. Why?
But you were shy though, you didn't want to tell her how much. You shied up though, you shied
Nah,
up.
man, it's not even that shy, but it's first round and straight appearance, innit? Why lie? Straight appearance. You should asking me something that's gonna happen in third round.
She wanted you to speak Jamaican. You can't speak Jamaican on a call? Let me hear you say something now out here. If blood want fuck your wall.
Why you gonna ask me?
Because that's what she told you to say.
Wait, say it now on the camera.
Yeah, make sure you know you can
What do
say
you
it
say?
now. If blood clot girl want fucking in your wall.
A blood clot, y'all want fucking your hole, innit? Simple, man. It's not hard, bro. Man just didn't wanna say it, bro.
How was your experience though?
That's fine. We're not bad for my life. We're not bad.
Alright.
Just made it complicated.
Alright, see you in the next round.
Good night, sir. Thanks.
Alright. So that was an easy pass, you know? So it look like say I Khandy type. I Khandy just give you the yes, so. But you say you have some icky pie in it, I'm seeing
And
it.
icky spots.
Oh, a spot. So what was the experience like? You like Khandy?
Simple and cheap. You never afraid.
So you're on to the next round?
Yeah, me and don't have a problem, you know.
You be like you if you don't want to kick it on your foot.
Oh,
Alright, check.
Give me some money. So this part, I've forgotten more.
Do one more.
Eh?
Do one more.
Yeah.
So you want one time?
You like to buy your way through that one, you know.
I feel like you buy your way through that one. You spray up your cologne, you spend up your money.
You know, son, see me, I'm the guy who's confident. You see him, what's the name? Can be like a tall guy. You know what I mean? See me, I'm the kid. You know what I'm saying?
So you feel like you genuinely gear that?
Yeah, man, enough mean to man. You see it? You see me? I just show us of money, man.
I see that show the money though, but you'll expect more for round 2, so you have it.
Can't cap.
Alright? You're not capper. Alright then, round 2, stay in a round 2.
Of course, you look like a nerd. So it's like you have put on a facade when you have put on this mask and, you know, you look like a nerd. You have a degree? You look like you have a degree.
So is a good nerd or a nerdy nerd?
I mean, him look like a nice nerd.
Okay.
Like a nice nerd, a cool nerd. But, yeah, him work. Yeah, money.
Look for me, good. Look for me.
They look for you.
So how me look like? Somebody broke out somebody's money.
You look like you live with your mother. Cause you look like a nerd. You look like a nerd. Most of the nerd they live with their mother. But you look cool. You're alright. May I give you a pass?
Alright.
Yeah, may I give you a pass? Huh?
Alright, so who are we here with today?
I'm going to say Rowan, play God on the Instagram, PLAY_GAD_.
Alright, play God. So, what's to say you go inside already, so we can't even ask you if you know we're there for you. I already didn't know, so you come for Khandy. So, what were you expecting today? Did you get the outcome that you were hoping for?
Yeah, fasting, I'm not going to lie.
Alright, so what you know about Khandy?
She's a famous TikToker.
Alright, so you did come out for her today. You did excited to see her.
Yeah, I really want to see her. I really like.
Alright, love that. Alright, play God, you know, I want to ask you, out of 100, how important is looks for you in a female?
Me, out of 100. She say everybody not perfect still. So, 50, 60 out of 100 can really look still in her personality.
Yeah. I love that. Next thing I want to ask you, if your girlfriend wanted you to shave her vagina, would you shave her vagina?
Just so?
Yeah, if she ask you, babes, I can shave my vagina, would you be willing?
No, something would have wrong with her, man. If you're pregnant and can't reach it.
If you're pregnant?
Yeah, and them things.
If you're pregnant?
Yeah.
Alright, nothing wrong with that. Would you wash the panties if she was sick?
No, I'm not buy her a new one.
You'd buy her something? You're the only one will come with that today, no, you'd just buy her something?
I'll just buy her a new one.
Alright, love that. But we'll see you going to Khandy.
Yeah.
I will see Khandy reaction towards you. Khandy say you're young, but you're cute. Looking at my eyebrows. Because I feel like the look where you're looking at Khandy eye make you pass around, you know.
I'm not joking. I'm afraid when I tell you with me, she attacks you, but she know how manipulate me.
So you think about that? You think I could have brought Khandy?
I mean,
yeah.
My mindset beating, I'm not sure thinking just the age alone, you know.
Alright, so you get a pass there on to the next round?
Yeah.
Alright, so you never get a fit check earlier, and I do it right now, yeah. You want to tell the viewers them what you're wearing?
Huh?
You want to tell the viewers them what you're wearing right now?
Don't have to.
But you're clean though.
Yeah.
Alright, where so the viewers them can find you again, Panagram?
Play God, PLAY_GAD_.
Anything you want to say to the viewers them differently or even Khandy? Anything where you wish you'd say to her inside where you want to say to her right now?
I'm seeing for Simon, but just want him to follow you. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, outside. Alright, Lindsay, we never get to see Khandy reaction towards you, but we're going to watch the show, so we're going to see what one. So tell me, what was your experience like? So the song you use are winner?
Of course. That alone get her type shit.
So you feel like you can kick with any boy foot?
No, right now, pregnant, because she mentioned, so where are you from? And I'm like, what do you mean? Does any man this? So,
Jano Star.
Fame can just like take people man, so we will see.
You will see, but you get through though for the first round.
I'm a liar person, so I don't know if it happens.
Like it stressed you out, though. It stressed you out.
Yeah.
Alright, so what was the experience like meeting Khandy though? How did you feel like go up there?
From me young, I've been as a Khandy check a shirt, so I mean by check a shirt. I used to it.
Alright, so you're on to round 2.
On to round
few. Alright, that's what outside. Alright, so tell me what was your experience like, Celestial?
Yo, I'm not like, you know, he did mad as it. But the first thing she asked me a police or me a soldier.
Why do you think she asked you that?
Because she face was tough. She said my face was tough, bro. So she said, yo, if me a police.
You sure I never the shoes?
No, man, she never even looked at me. Only place she look like yes, sir. You see, she look yes, sir. But then she look up and then she asked me what I do. I'm tell her I drive truck, you see.
Oh.
And as me say I drive truck, she'll say yes.
Alright, true, you're ambitious, and she did say she like ambitious.
Alright.
So you're on to round 2.
That is it.
Outside.
On to round
Few. Why? So, what grade grades you get?
No, say
You get you to round 2? Few.
Round few, for sure.
Round few.
First of all, I'm going to try to get a little cap and tell her some of it. But you know.
What that mean? Long John Silver, Jano Star. So what she say?
She not like the big one, man. So I said, baby, you know, so I can't be like that. I tell you, you a little bit.
Oh,
she said, you know what? Can you look good and you smell good? Send me through.
Oh, you smell good. What are you wearing today?
Come hug me.
What
am I wearing today, baby?
Him smell good for you. What are you wearing though? What are you wearing?
You know, so we gatekeep when I try to make the people know.
So you don't want to know the smell of wind Khandy?
This is too big.
Alright, so you're on to round few.
You're on few, yes.
Alright, see you outside.
No, I'm not pass.
So, my hope of good news, you know, because you come ready, you know, and you look like you're going to buy, and you look like you could have put Khandy on a flight. So, what was your experience like?
Well, she said, I'm 100% digital, no, but she said, I guess my two chopped in for her, I don't know.
She don't like them thick?
Yeah.
So, how you feel about the letdown? Because you did come for Khandy, you know?
Well. That's the least, you get me?
Anything where you wish you could have said to Khandy inside where you never said to her where you want her for now, because she got to see that video, you know?
A good man. Anything she wants, man. You see, say less, you see, bro.
Alright, say this. Alright, just so.
Yeah, Gucci, you see.
Alright, next time, yeah.
Cool.
Oh.
You know, it kind of shocked me, but you see, like, me personally, like, without Khandy, it's like a man coming like that, he kind of turn me off, you know?
Okay.
But then we have to reach kind of Khandy era and be like, alright, you know, but we just answer respectful as possible. You see me? But yeah, we go to next patient.
Your fear is still in the game. But here was one now. I want to eliminate. Come in the frame, come closer to the feel like you're like, we're good live? Alright. I feel like I want to eliminate 3. You can ask them a question if you want, or just eliminate 3.
Definitely, go on your yard.
Me?
Go on your fucking yard. Me go on your yard, man. Go on your yard. Go on home. Go on your yard. Go on your yard.
You look why you're at church.
Go on home. Well, so why me ask him if you have money? I say, woman stay.
You want to ask him or no?
That's great. No. Okay. I'm at 20. You have money. You have money?
But can you're 22 and have money?
Yeah, cause me a woman. Woman kind of easier for make it in a life than man.
True type shit.
So there with Khandy, the video finished now. I know the behind the scenes, right? Khandy, you know what I want to ask you? How you feel about the lineup today?
Boy, I will leave a man. I first never see so much man one place. But I don't feel alright. I'm just hungry now.
You some hungry?
I'm hungry. Yeah, but the lineup was good. It was good.
So how you feel with the experience on the show today?
Me alright.
Yeah, alright. Alright, big up you, Khandy.
Alright, big up your nice clean skin.
Whoops. Ah, this is the oil looks, yeah, alright.
Yeah, alright, more talk. Then you mash up the thing. Then girl, them not want it because of Zenny, you know?
Zenny the people in alive. Zenny the people in alive. I don't know what, but always I get fight.
Because of Zenny. You have to set the record straight, do you know? Baby, you need to set the record straight right now with Zenny.
Why? I'm confused. The rest of history.
History.
The rest of history, leave it and me.
So you and Zenny done, mash up? Never.
I'm not telling you that earlier. Use them a company to do any other church. Zenny. Try fracture my
Yeah, try kick him foot. Oh.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Type shit? Type shit? Alright guys, so it was a hectic day upon the set. We're not done, so I'm going already. 20 man verse 1. Yeah, Khandy badness outside. Yeah, I'm not tell a lie, I'm in that early. Man, them don't know, so not give be a problem, though, not give more problem than the woman them. But anyway, it's true. But anyway, it was a good show, it was a good set, you know, have a good vibe. Oh, no, subscribe yet. My soon, you know, watch out the whole of the video and no press subscribe. Oh, no, do that. Watch out.
Hear me say, subscribe to Mona Lisa TV. You get the message. What me say now? One coach Bella to know. I'm on subscribe to the TV.
Alicia Amor TV.
Want to subscribe to Alicia Keys, isn't it? Subscribe. Girl. I want to stream our YouTube or TikTok. I'm go over our TikTok to send lions and bears. That is it. I'm going to check out One Coach Bell and get on the fitness, on the massage, all them something done. And if you don't want to catering, book Coach Bell.
Alright, so I hear it right. It's a big up Selection Nation behind the camera. You don't know it was a vibe, a beer madness. You know the one and only Alicia Moore though. And we say pretty badness outside.
Yes, so you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia Moore. Go over to our Viva channel, listen to our music, stream it up, no man. We're golden. Bad artists, rule it.